Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this microwave, which your light will come on. You go to start it, it comes on, but nothing happens. This is a model SMH1622S by Samsung. Alright, you'll start by removing 1, 2, and 3 of the screws on the top. I've already done that, and then you'll simply pull it out and off. Alright, this piece here has a screw here and here. I've already taken them off. This unit simply slides up and then out. It has these little tabs here. Alright. And what your problem is these switches. Mine was specifically this one here. I've already disconnected it. I actually have to reconnect it to show for the video. But I've got these new switches here. These are, well, technically these are the old ones, but I'll put the part number in the description. What had happened is this bottom one here, if you can see that, this button is supposed to press and it has collapsed. Normally they stick up, but I replaced that, which to get this piece out you need a Torx bit. Take these two out. This slides up and out. You can unplug these. Always disconnect your power first. And then you can simply, you'll see a little lever in there that will release the whole unit and pull it out. And you put it back in and it's good to go. I'll show you that in just a second. I do want to mention this bottom one here, the one that had a problem with, the little circle in the middle. You'll have to press right there on that little clip. You'll push that down and let you release it. Whenever you're matching up these switches with the ones you're replacing, make sure you put the right one where it goes. If you notice here, you'll see the 1, 2, and a 3, and then a prong sticking out. The other one will have the prong sticking out on the NO for normally open. This one is the normally closed one, so just make sure you match those up. Alright, I've got it all back together. I'm going to plug in the unit. Alright, give it a second, it'll load. Okay, you can close your door, test it out. Oh, there it goes. It's whirring and doing its thing. Hopefully this video will help somebody out that has this model. This just slides up and then it comes off through these little tabs here.